Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix problem using Windows Update. So if you have a problem with your system, maybe you mess up or there is a system bug that causes your PC or your Windows 11 doesn't run normally, so you can try to fix the problem with the troubleshooters. So maybe you want to run troubleshooters. Here we go, troubleshoot settings. So maybe you can click other troubleshooters, and maybe you have a problem with audio, network, printer, Windows Update, and so on. You can just run troubleshooters. But if this troubleshooter doesn't help you, you can consider to run Windows Update. Keep you up to date is a must, especially Windows 11. So you can click System, scroll down and try to find the recovery option. Click it, and here we go. The second option is fix problems using Windows Update. Reinstall your current version of Windows. Your app files and settings will be preserved. Just click reinstall now. And don't forget to keep update. You can click check for updates, especially if you run Windows Defender or secure Windows Security as your antivirus or first protection on your system. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support the text button below. See you in the next video.